If you want to learn step by step on how to install these beautiful crochet locks by Ywigs, stay tuned.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah, something that makes me look at.
Hey, it's Tika Marie here. I'm back with another hair tutorial. Today I'll be installing these crochet locks that I purchased from Ywigs. Listen, these locks are so beautiful and full. Now these are synthetic locks, but they have the human hair throughout the locks and the human hair at the end of the locks. So the curly pieces are human hair, so that is a plus. Now to install this style, you'll need a crochet needle. That is optional. I use the Eco Style gel, and I also purchased some spring twist hair. You can use any type of spring twist hair that you have. Okay, let's get started. So I plaited my hair down. I have 48 braids in my head, and the first step is you want to open up that loop on the lock. If not, it's going to be difficult to attach that lock, so make sure you open that up. And then what you're going to do is just connect it to each plait. As you can see, I am braiding my hair into another plait. Just re-plaiting it, but I did add the lock onto it, so you can see a closer look where I just pretty much in the middle just added the lock, and I just started plaiting my hair up again. That's all you have to do with that. Next, my hair is kind of long, so I used a crochet needle to add like the end of my hair, and I just kind of made it, put it in half, so when I wrap I won't have the extra piece. But then I'll show you another way later to do it another way. You want to get one piece of spring twist hair. You don't need two because it's going to make it too bulky, but you just need one piece of spring twist hair. Make sure you're holding it tight, and you're just going to wrap. This part is very important because if you're not wrapping tight at the beginning, it will slip out. I chose not to use my crochet needle, but you can use, like I said, it is optional. I just decided to go ahead and just not use it. It's just faster for me not to use it, so I'm just wrapping. Okay, so I'm on to another braid, and again I am attaching my lock onto my plait, and I'm braiding it back up. And this part, like I said, this part is very easy. If you know how to plait, you can get this part done, and it doesn't take too long to do this. But just make sure you add that piece of the lock, and then you do a tight braid. That lock is not going anywhere. Once you wrap it, it will not be going anywhere. And here's another one. It's very simple, very easy. This style was very easy to do, and you don't need too much to do it. So there we go. Now this is the part I was saying that I used the gel, and if you didn't want to use a crochet needle to add it into the plait, you can just kind of wrap it around. So some of my braids, I just started doing like the little wrap method, and then I'll just hold it tight once I'm done, and then I get some more spring twist hair and I start wrapping again. Just wrap, and again make sure you are wrapping tight as you can so that lock will not slide out later on. You guys, this style is very easy, and I think it took me maybe like 3 hours. Oh yeah, so if you are enjoying this video, make sure you are liking, sharing this video, and making comments. Okay, I think I said that wrong. So make sure you are liking and subscribing to my channel. All right, now, so we're at the end, and make sure you do like a little tight palm roll. That's going to help your lock stay in place. And look at that lock. It looks very natural, very neat, and yeah, that's all you got to do. Okay, we are all done. Look at this. Look at that curl pattern. Again, that is human hair on the ends. I'm obsessed with these Crochet Locs by Ywigs. Very convenient. It took me maybe like 3.5 hours to finish my hair. I'm obsessed with these locks, and I want to give you guys a review on how I handle the maintenance. So I'll give you guys another video. So make sure you are liking and subscribing. See you soon.